Are you having issues installing the ODMS Desktop application from the Microsoft Store? Some of our corporate and enterprise ODMS Cloud customers often have issues installing the ODMS Desktop application, required for typists, on Windows due to restrictions around access to the Microsoft Store as part of their group policy. This often requires your internal IT to be engaged to enable or allow access temporarily to install the ODMS Desktop application. This can be time-consuming, especially if there are many typists who require the software. OM System have a couple of processes which will allow you to install the ODMS Desktop application outside of the Microsoft Store. They are both documented on the OM System website. Here is the link, and we will also add the link to the comments below. Let me show you these two options. Option 1, which is the simplest method. This option lets you download the ODMS Desktop installer package locally so that you can run and install the application outside of the store. The downloaded package is in the Windows MSIX format. The easiest way to the installation package is to first log in to the ODMS Cloud portal. Any verified user can log into the portal to get the package: administrator, transcriptionist, or author. We recommend that your typist logs in on their Windows PC, as that is where you will be installing the software. Once logged into the ODMS Cloud portal, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Desktop application link. This opens the latest ODMS Desktop download webpage from OM System. This page provides information on both Windows and Mac installs for ODMS Desktop. Find and then click the link marked Jump to Microsoft Store. You should then see a button which will allow you to download the installer package. You can now double-click the installer to start the installation. Note, administrator access may still be required. Option 2, if Option 1 does not work, uses a built-in Windows command called WinGet to download and install the ODMS Desktop application. Again, on the OM website, here is the link. Look for the section titled Installation when the Microsoft Store is not available. OM provides the recommended WinGet command to use, although in our testing, this did not work for us. We recommend you use this command instead. To execute the command, first open the Windows Command Prompt tool. Then enter the WinGet command and hit Enter. Again, this may require some administrator access. If so, please contact your IT department. If not, you will have the ODMS Desktop application installed. We recommend that you then log out of the ODMS Cloud portal and log back in again. The ODMS Desktop application is not opened like any other Windows application. It is only opened when playback is clicked for an audio file shown in the portal for the typist. We hope that this video has helped. Please reach out to us at Dictate Australia if you are still having issues or just need some additional advice on ODMS Cloud.